how I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't stay, but girl, we both thought.
Welcome back to the channel. So today I had a late start. It is 1:30, so I had a pretty late morning. I slept in, I was tired. So I'm going to try to be as productive as possible today. So that's what this vlog is going to be about. But baby girl is moving. I'm gonna try to be as productive as I can. Y'all, I am breaking out. Like, this is just so not me, but that should just tell you how I've been doing lately. And it's not given I'm gonna be very productive because she's moving. And I like to try to let her figure it out. Hold on. I'm actually currently pumping and my daughter is in the catnap stage, okay? Yeah, I promise y'all she was sleeping for like 15 minutes. I was gonna see what I could do. I was gonna take a shower, but we're gonna see how this works. I was only 6 minutes into pumping, which is normal because I feel like every time I start pumping, she start waking up. Mind y'all, she was in a deep sleep, okay? So, yeah. She wakes up like this, grunting. She most likely has to burp. Got to burp, little mama? All right, let's see. Have to burp, baby? Yeah, so it's giving, she's about to be productive with me today, okay? Because mommy has a lot to do today. Like, we have to do laundry. I literally do laundry with her like every other day because it fills up fast. Obviously, she's a newborn or infant, so we need to do laundry. We need to clean. Like, I want to take you outside and get you some vitamin D. Yeah, a lot needs to be done today, little lady. This is how you have to continue to be productive when the baby is up. I refuse to let her take over my entire day. We got stuff to get done, so put her in a stroller and she's coming to do laundry with me.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already, so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
So right now I am feeding baby girl. It's 2 o'clock and we're watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Let me tell you something. This is her show. Like, we put on like a few of like me and Bae's like childhood shows and things that we watched, and she likes the Backyardigans as well. She likes Roly Poly Oly. Like, she'll sometimes watch Elmo. But like when we put on Mickey, like Mickey is the one show that she'll really watch. Like, she'll, like, her attention span don't get broken from it. And I don't know if it's the colors or like the graphics or whatever, but like she love her some Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Like, and she'll be laughing at everything. Like, she loves Mickey Mouse. Literally entertained right now. She's watching it while I'm feeding her. The goal is obviously after feeding her, obviously change her and stuff, but we're gonna go back and put the clothes in the dryer. It's very rare because I don't really get time to like sleep because I have to pump, and usually when I have to pump it's usually time for her to eat, and like my supply has been a little low lately, specifically because I had got sick I caught food poisoning, and with me not eating and with me not drinking, like my supply dropped like tremendously. So I had to like keep pumping every 2 hours just to keep it up, like even if it's like 15 minutes just to build my supply back up. I obviously could just put her on the boob, but I do like the idea of like not always having to pull my boob out to feed her. Like just going to the kitchen and just getting a bottle is very convenient for me. So yeah, it's definitely exhausting, I'm not even gonna lie, but like when I have like enough supply, I don't have to pump as much. So I just have to make sure I get back to that stage. Y'all, I didn't even, listen, this is TMI, I didn't even take a shower yet, and it's the afternoon. Like I did not brush my teeth yet. Like I said, I had a late morning, and then I just had to immediately tend to her. And like for parents, like I know y'all understand, like, you know, sometimes you're just gonna have them days where you can't do certain things, but you definitely gotta make sure you put your baby first. Like, which I am obviously gonna shower, I am gonna brush my teeth when I get a minute, but as soon as you wake up, like you're just automatically on go, like in parent mode. It's definitely been a lot. It's been a transition with not having my husband here, like him going back to work. Like I really wish that he had longer time, like at least 6 months. But then honestly, I feel like even with 6 months, I'll be saying I wish he had another 3 months. Like I just can't wait until like we're both like very self-sufficient. I feel like with the time with him being here, like we definitely had a rotation. Like she's still on schedule, but she also has to get used to like not having him around a certain period of time. So it's definitely new for her as well, not just for me. And so she feels like when he's not here, or she feels the energy and it being off. So it's kind of like, you know, different. And then we're hitting like that 4-month stage where, you know, little sleep regression, you know, more cat naps. So like by the time I put her down, if I try to go down, like it's gonna be like 10-15 minutes. So we really try to keep her up as long as possible so that she can sleep at nighttime. I wouldn't say she's colicky. I thought she was like experiencing colic. I think it's just moments where she's like, you know, not comfortable, like blatantly not comfortable. Like the one time where she was like screaming was because we was out all day. Like we went to Connecticut for his niece's birthday, and we was out from the morning to the nighttime. Like, and she was just tired. She wanted to go home. She wanted to take a bath. Like she just wanted to be in her comfort. So I wouldn't say we really experienced colic, but like I feel like she blatantly lets it be known when she's uncomfortable. We know why she's uncomfortable. Even if it were like, why are you uncomfortable? It's most likely she'll be tired and stuff like that. But I feel like she's not really a hard baby to deal with. Like you just have to meet her needs before it's time to meet her needs. So yeah, and that's Bay calling. So I'm outside with baby girl, taking her for a walk. She definitely needs some vitamin D. I'm sure she's gonna keep doing this whole cat nap thing, and I know she's still tired. I know, baby, she's over the sun right now, but she definitely needs some vitamin D. I do give her vitamin D drops, but she definitely needs full-on sun exposure. So we're outside, and usually when I go outside with her, she falls asleep anyway. So I don't expect it to be a full-on sleep, because once we get in the house, she gonna wake up. But still trying to make sure that she gets her fill for today, even though still got some things to do. But she let me get laundry done, so I appreciate that. I just gotta put her clothes away in her closet. It's definitely time to like reorganize. Like it's August, so fall is coming, and I'm gonna prioritize her fall clothes and then kind of like put her summer clothes away. I mean, she's gonna grow out of it anyway, so I can't really say away. I'll probably just give it away, because she will not be that size ever again. So yeah, but she's enjoying it. You enjoying it, mama? Yeah, it's hot.
Heart is hard to carry after dark. You're to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight. You know what's on my mind this time. Going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around you. Started last night, we didn't stay.
So Miss Honor has a whole blowout. I'm talking about on the feet, okay, up her back, right in the midst of me cleaning. So one thing about her, she do not like to be dirty for too long. You got about 30 seconds to change her. So she was just letting me clean, but she just started wilding, okay? My girl don't like to be dirty. Ugh, you gotta get a bath, girl. Do you feel better, baby girl? Do you look at you trying to sit up? Like, girl, you ain't 6 months. What you doing? She can actually sit up. She just can't hold it for too long. Hi, Miss Honor Love. Are you gonna let mommy finish cleaning? Huh? Let's see how much you allow me to. Okay? Y'all, it is literally 9:30 on the dot. And when I tell you, this girl, she's been taking cat naps all day and she's now asleep. She's actually been asleep, I want to say, for like an hour and 15 minutes now. I was able to eat. She did not finish her bottle, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to get in the shower. My husband is almost home, so I'm gonna take this opportunity to stop what I'm doing and get in the shower because I have to catch it while I can. And then when I come out, I will definitely finish what I'm doing, and hopefully, you know, he's close by then. So we gotta do what we gotta do before baby girl gets out. Alright, you guys, so that is all for today's video. As you guys can see, I was as productive as I could be for a mom. So if you're a mom, you know that you are as productive as your baby allows you to be. But I pretty much got what I wanted to get done, which was her laundry. You know, clean the house a little bit. Not deep clean, but clean the house a little bit, and just make sure that everything is in order. Right now my husband is home. He is giving her a bath and he's about to feed her, so I'm basically like off duty. So I'm gonna now refill her bottles for the night and we should just get some rest because tomorrow it's basically the same thing over. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know what you guys think of this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.